Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Granules India, a well-known pharmaceutical company that's been making headlines recently, and not for the best reasons. The stock price of Granules India has been on a downward spiral, dropping by as much as 4% intraday on September 9th. So, what's causing this decline, and where is the stock headed next? Stick around to find out. On September 9th, Granules India's stock fell by around 4%, quoting at 660.95 rupees on the BSE. Over the next few days, the stock extended its losses, falling for 3 straight sessions. By September 13th, the price dropped further, trading at 555 rupees on the NSE, a total decline of 23% in just 3 days. The question is, what's behind this sharp fall? The catalyst for this plunge came from the US Food and Drug Administration, or USFDA, who recently conducted an inspection of Granules India's Gajilapur facility in Hyderabad. The inspection, which took place from August 26 to September 6, resulted in a Form 483 with 6 observations. Now, for those unfamiliar, a Form 483 is issued when the FDA identifies conditions that may violate the Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. So, what exactly were the observations? According to reports, the USFDA's findings revolved around key issues like cleaning and maintenance procedures, inadequate root cause analysis, document management, in-process controls, air purification systems. These are all critical aspects when it comes to pharmaceutical manufacturing, and any non-compliance with FDA guidelines could have serious implications for a company's operations. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, the Gajilapur facility is one of Granules India's most important manufacturing sites. In fact, it has a higher production capacity than the company's other plants combined. So, any operational issues here could significantly impact Granules' ability to serve the US market. Despite these recent setbacks, it's important to note that Granules India has a strong regulatory track record. Since 2009, the company has undergone 24 USFDA inspections at various sites, including 6 inspections at the Gajilapur facility itself. And most of the time, they've managed to meet regulatory standards, either receiving a Voluntary Action Indicated, VAI, or No Action Indicated, NAI, classification. Interestingly, this comes on the heels of some good news for the company. In August 2024, Granules Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, a subsidiary of Granules India, received USFDA approval for its glycopyrrolate oral solution 1 mg per 5 ml, which is a generic version of Merz Pharmaceuticals' Composa oral solution. So, it's not all doom and gloom for Granules. But what does this mean for investors? According to Motilal Oswal Financial Services, this USFDA inspection is a short-term hurdle, but it doesn't change the company's long-term growth story. They've reiterated their buy rating for Granules India, setting a target price of 680 rupees, based on an expected earnings growth of 36% CAGR over FY 24-26. So, where is Granules India's stock price headed next? Well, that largely depends on how quickly the company can address the USFDA's observations. Granules India has stated that it will submit its response to the FDA within the required timeframe, and they're already working on remediation measures. Once these issues are resolved, we could see a recovery in the stock price. In conclusion, while the current situation at Granules India may seem concerning, there's still a lot of optimism about the company's long-term prospects. If you're a long-term investor, this might just be a bump in the road. But as always, make sure to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more stock market updates. See you in the next video.